everyone, welcome to CIT Centre. Good news! Now the CIT Centre is installed with a new automated barrier gate. Let us have a look. There are 4 barriers for entry and exit. Please bring along your student ID card to enter into CITC.
Come, let's try it out!
This is what happens if you stand between the sensor. The alarm will trigger.
What happened to my card?
Let me see your card holder. Wow, there are too many cards inside. Use only your student ID card to scan.
What if my student card doesn't work?
Don't worry. You may walk to the manual lane or OKU lane and press the intercom button for assistance. If you lost your student ID card, you need to go to the Department of Admission to fill up a new student ID card application form before proceed to CITC for a replacement card. For reseat and repeat students, you may need to also fill up the same form before collect a new card from CITC. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful.